Hello, my name is Jaws, and welcome to Imajawnation, where today I'm going to be reviewing the Olympia 4-drawer hardware organizer. I've been looking for something to organize a lot of my hardware, and this comes with 4 separate cabinets that are removable, and it also comes with your hardware. So if you add the hardware and the cost of it, you pretty much get in a case for half the price of the cost of all the hardware you'd have to buy to fill it. Now, I probably won't use half the hardware because I got other hardware I want to fill it up with. But let's go on to quality. Shipping wise, I got a big old dent here. Nothing I can't just push back out. A little annoying, but not bad. The boxes, they were my favorite part. Nice heavy duty. Come with full of hardware. That has the removable plastic insert, if I can lift up on it with one hand. There, it's removable-ish. Well, you can take it out. You don't need it in there if you want to put little boxes. Then it has a detailed listing of the hardware. So if you wanted to use the hardware it comes with, by all means, it's good for you. Then that's great. You don't even have to fill it. You just buy it and you got everything. So the cases are removable. Nice little handle. These are nice and heavy duty. I like these a lot. However, I'm not the biggest fan of that drawer. The drawer's a little thin. Same with the case. The case is a little folded, so it has a little more rigidness to it. But the drawers kind of suck. Quite frankly, if you have the weighted box in it, and you go to push it back, it wants to push on one side, and you try to get both of them. And then I got this one. Get a nasty sound or something that got screwed up with that drawer. Whether it didn't grease it enough or just something got wedged in there. This particular drawer on this one doesn't work. Overall, quick review. It's a nice piece of organization that would help organize if you have a whole lot of different hardware and whatnot you want to use. I bought it from Staples. It was the cheapest price I could find. Most places have it. Right now it's on sale at Home Depot for like $116. Staples had it for $94, $96. I probably wouldn't pay any more than that. You can stack them. They have mounting holes on the top, here and here, if you wanted to bolt more together and stack them up higher. That would be nice, but I can't afford to be spending so much money on it, so I wanted to try one out before I invested any more or decided if I might want more later. Well, that's pretty much it. Plain and simple. It's just a metal box with heavy duty bins. Drawers could do improving. Overall, the case isn't bad other than the big old dent in the bottom. Other than that, I like it. I wouldn't pay the higher prices for them. I try to find the lowest price you can get. Like I said, Staples is where I got it. So, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more or have anything you want me to review or build. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I will see you